Today, I'm stepping out of our usual topic to talk about something that's become part of my daily routine here at Bradwood Farm that is so comfortable. Well, I got this in the mail today. I am so impressed with the packaging. It's all bubble wrap. Look how nice. Right off the bat, this packaging is stunning. Ulivary really knows how to make a great first impression. Let's go ahead and open this up. Velcro in. Beautiful wrapping. And the thank you card. That's pretty cool. Let's take the ribbon off. Let's see what these look like. Wow, look at this. Here's the belts. Look how beautiful those are. Wow, I love the color and the feel. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. It's got a whole set here. It's got the kimono, it's got the bottoms, it's got the PJ top and a belt. And it's so nice and silky. Oh, I can't wait to put this on and try it out. Oh, I love green, one of my favorite colors. I ordered the Ulivary Kimono Pajamas and I forgot what pattern I ordered because they had so many beautiful designs. I got the floral pattern with green. First off, let me tell you how these pajamas feel. They are so soft and silky. You can tell they're really manufactured well. Look at the stitching, it's just beautiful. Look at the workmanship on the top. They're all adjustable straps. Got a little bit of elastic in the back of it. And the pants, nice elastic waist. Nice timeless design. The fabric, a silk charmeuse, is going to be perfect for a good night's sleep, especially after working in the greenhouse all day. So let's go ahead and try these on and see how they feel. Ulivary Kimono Pajamas aren't just about sleep. They're about embracing a lifestyle of comfort and connection to the home. The design, inspired by traditional kimonos, brings a touch of elegance to our rustic life here at Bradwood Farm. This Ulivary Kimono PJs are so comfortable. The fit is perfect, not too tight, not too loose. It's going to really add some elegance to my nighttime routine. Whether I'm curling up with a good book or checking on my strawberries before bed, these PJs make me feel so special. Aside from the great comfort, these Ulivary Kimono Pajamas have some great features. The craftsmanship on these PJs is top-notch. The material is a silk charmeuse. It feels so good. I wish you guys could feel how silky soft they are. Every stitch shows the care and quality that went into making these PJs. And a major plus is that they're machine washable, which is great for a busy person like me. I'm always in the greenhouse or running around the farm. Let me show you why I think these PJs are awesome and so comfortable. The stitching, like I said before, and look at the cuffs and the colors. And it comes with a belt. I love anything with a belt, especially robes. And what's nice about the belt? There's belt loops to keep it in place. And there's an inside tie to keep it closed. The top is just very comfortable and loose, and it's elastic waist. It's not too tight and not too loose so that it doesn't fall down. Really, really comfortable. If you're looking to upgrade your nighttime routine, I highly recommend giving Ulivary PJs a try. They have all kinds of different products on their website. There's a link down below for the affiliate link, and if you want to place an order, there's a discount code for 20% off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more on living the nice, cozy, comfortable life here at Bradwood Farm. See you guys next video.